Each essay question consists of two parts. Part A is a 9-mark essay, while Part B is a 16-mark essay. In this lesson, we'll be discussing the format of the essay for physical geography. You should spend approximately 30 minutes of your time on the essay. This includes planning. When completed, your essay should take up roughly 2.5 sides of the foolscap paper. This may of course vary according to the size of your handwriting. Let us first talk about the 16-mark essay. Firstly, you should have an introduction. This introduction should be brief and usually only a 2-sentence. This does not need to be as long as human Geog. After that, you should start on your content paragraphs. Your content paragraphs usually will include as many points as you can think of, but do note that you have to give both sides of the argument. Usually, 5 well-developed points are sufficient. Finally, you need a conclusion, a balanced view of both perspectives. It will be good to say which factor is most important to a greater extent. Do know that time management is very important, so allow at least 3 minutes for the conclusion. While it might be necessary to sacrifice a content point or two, it is preferable to having an unfinished essay or eating into the time of other sections. For the 9-mark essay, you should spend approximately 15 minutes on it and write about 1.5 sides. Unlike the 16-mark essay, there is no need for introduction or conclusion. Simply start with your first point. The number of points depend entirely on the question and how well developed your points are. Usually, you need about 4 to 6 points. Do note that you have to answer the question directly using the PEEL structure for the paragraphs. 1 point per paragraph should suffice.